These are the dumbest drivers ever. Alright, this person ran into the same car twice within a few minutes. After the crash, they got out to exchange information.
What?
What is happening?
Why are they still going?
I don't know, but I don't want to drive past them.
Oh my god, not them speeding up.
A driver went through a red light, and the perfect outcome happened. What the f*** are you doing, bro? These guys were just finishing up filming their podcast, but were rudely interrupted.
It got so quiet in here. How did I...
They thought it was a good idea to pass in front of a police officer that was going too slow.
Go.
Shut
Go over 60. You go a little faster than that. Go over like 61.
I hope he pulls you over.
Oh my god,
he's pulling you over.
Why?
This guy found a driver that was asleep at a green light. They somehow forgot to close their door. He didn't properly tie down his mattress.
Campsite keep to themselves a little bit. It wasn't like we were hanging out or anything, but yeah, it's not good obviously to see him looking through a shirt. Just on that, I mean.
He forgot to close his door, but his car was nice enough to help out. They thought they were driving on a road, but they were actually driving on a frozen river. Wallsy.
You can see it.
So this driver thought they were putting their foot down on the brake pedal. There's a lot of dumb drivers in this video, but I think this is the winner. She couldn't figure out why her gas cap wasn't moving to the other side of the car. This bus driver stopped way too close to the train track, so everyone on the bus panicked and got out.
Ve nada más lo que acaba de hacer este animal con la gente.
This Amazon driver didn't realize that they were driving on a bike path. We'll see in person just a bit, but I think that this message tonight is the one. People said that they were just following their GPS and it said to turn into the water. Wait, right? Oh, there's a line in the front of the boat. John, you let me the swimming going. Yeah, you, and you said no, throw me the swim boy. So this should be interesting.
Big risk coming even this close to his waters. How close are we? See for yourself.
He took this left turn a little too fast. This truck driver didn't properly tie down their tarp. They just got their car cleaned after coming out of the car wash. This is to be the worst parallel parker. He next told. He said this Yoda.
Hello?
He said that he hit the wrong pedal on accident.
Incoming traffic on 81. Oh my God, he got airborne.
His bumper.
He lost his bumper.
Wow.
This is great. I really don't know what she's doing.
He forgot to take off his ladder before going on a car wash.